Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Lately I've been feeling that my scalp has been extremely dry, so I thought why not I show you how I nurture my hair. Sunday is the only day that most of us get to take care of ourselves. So go ahead and pamper yourself with this DIY hair mask that I'm going to show you. The ingredients that you'll be requiring are 1 ripe banana, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons honey and 2 tablespoons olive oil. My hair doesn't feel dry anymore and it does feel extremely soft. The only drawback of this hair mask is going to be that there are going to be some particles left in your hair, and that's the reason that we are doing this on a Sunday. See you next time. Bye.